Welcome to the Laid Back Show. I do not know the episode number and I'm glad that we do not know the episode number.
I think after we landed a couple of hours later, we didn't know anything at all except for this place.
Well, we had a Blackberries connected. We were online, we were on Twitter, or we were restricting our tweets just to maintain privacy. I think the hottest topic that we probably discussed was privacy issues on Facebook and Twitter being a bigger issue. But that could be later on.
And this place has BlackBerry service for 25 rupees a day.
And 2 rupees a megabyte. So literally every day we're spending barely about 32 rupees just to be connected. That's probably the cheapest
I've
situation.
ever seen.
And everyone's got it. I mean, everyone
And-
had BlackBerry.
And it's edge. It's not even like...
And high speed.
High
I mean,
speed.
हमारे mobile link crap यार. It's just idiotic.
But look at this place. This place is just amazing. It's a war-torn country which has just gotten over its troubles.
Yeah, Tamil Tiger का issue अब 10-12 साल पहले खत्म हुआ. And उसके बाद से it's on progress. And I'm amazed to see how they're catering to tourists. Security level.
Friendly people, very friendly, no issues at all. कोई पंगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं. It's like, just come and have fun and that's what they want.
And cheap.
And cheap.
And cheap. I think
Quite
हमारे
reasonable.
overall सारा इतना cheap था कि anyone with a little bit of affordability. I mean हमारा अगर पूरा trip अगर देखो तो
Well,
कितना.
let's just say if you can afford to go to Thailand, you can afford to come here.
Yeah.
And this is in no ways any less than Thailand because if you look behind us, this is a totally secluded, untouched beach, coastline for miles. We saw a remarkable sunset yesterday. I've never seen anything like that in my life. And it's just amazing to see that a country which was so much in trouble with its war and with the local civil war situation going on just gets up and opens its arms to the world.
I think it's got to do with some leadership. Leadership भी हमारा थोड़ा सा इनका भी कोई बदमाश सा है.
It's a dictator.
It's a dictator, but what
And
he's
his
done, he's
name
got
is
a
too
vision.
difficult to pronounce.
Yeah, we're not going to take his name, but he's got some vision leading the country forward. He's got his problem, but he's been hailed as a leader because इसने Tamil Tigers को बड़े strictly deal करके इसको निकाला था. So this country has gone through some progress, and I think the same thing applies. We come back home and we start thinking, भाई हमारा मुल्क क्यों नहीं कर? I think the problem we face.
We have beaches just like this.
I think we do. कुंड मलीर जो हम हिंगोल में जाते हैं. Green, pristine water. कराची का बीच कराची बीच
चलो वो तो ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड हो गया. वो तो कोलंबो के बाद भी बीचेस ओवर एक्सप्लॉइट हो गए. मगर ऐसे बीचेस हमारे शहर में भी हैं. Outside Sunari village is like this, but it's just not developed. And it's just that people haven't gotten the ambition to get up and do something. क्योंकि आप कुछ करोगे, कुछ बनाओगे, जब ही लोग आएंगे. हमारे यहाँ पर कुछ है नहीं है because I guess there's so much red tape involved in everything that even if you try to open a small resort like the one we are staying in, it's almost impossible to get permissions and all that stuff. So I guess it's been a very, very relaxing time for us here. I felt everything slow down a couple of hours after we hit this place, and you can see why. And it just leaves you wondering with what could be if a place like this was developed.
देखो progress I constantly believe progress में vision एक जो leader का होता है, leader का vision होता है plus the country to rally behind जाता है. The problem, the beauty of this match of this leader जो यहाँ इनका श्रीलंका का है and the people believe a lot in him because he took out Tamil Tigers. तो एक hope होती है, वो hope लेकर वो exploit कर रहा है. उससे अपने सारे बेटे शेटे चाचे मामे मिनिस्ट्री में डाले हैं.
पॉलिटिक्स का cornerstone है.
वो तो कर रहा है मगर but लोगों people are rallying behind him. अभी just the first billboard that we saw the minute we landed was Zardari and this guy. मैंने कहा भाई ये मुझे यहाँ भी haunt करने आया Zardari साहब. So he just came about 2-3 days back before we came. So Zardari साहब भी अपना निशान छोड़ गए यहाँ.
अच्छा मुझे WikiLeaks के बारे में पता. What do you think about this?
ये Julian Assange जो है I was in Budapest in 2008 and Julian Assange was there in CBD. I just had talked with him, WikiLeaks क्या होता है, but उसका कोई बड़ा हीरो नहीं था. मगर I believe he and his organization has done wonders. Freedom of information जो होती है, the educated electorate of any country को develop कर रहा है. बस that's it. गलत हो सही तो है ही नहीं.
But do you think that he went a little wrong when he gave over his editorial control to like the 4 or 5 editors that we've selected?
I think that was a cushion for him. मैंने उस वक्त क्वेश्चन रखा कि भाई
फिर
वो
उससे ये भी हुआ है कि 2.5 लाख डॉक्यूमेंट में सिर्फ 500 रिलीज।
exercise or I mean every they were saying one document every hour. It might take them 24 years to release that, but it's
So why don't they just release all of them together? What's the
news impact. And plus they're playing for.
They want to sketch out the
भाई ये बताओ,
one by one.
would you defend Julian? I mean, are you defending Julian?
I definitely
You would stand.
because you see अगर आप the cables पढ़ें so there's a lot of information and I'm not just talking about कि you know Colonel Gaddafi roam around with a workshop not that sort of information is not important and doesn't matter but इतनी information like the ones about the civilian deaths in Iraq वो कभी बाहर आती
आती
नहीं अगर ये नहीं होता
और इनके प्राइवेट लव लेटर्स हैं अमेरिकन एम्बेसी
who
से.
cares what they think of Zardari or what Zardari thinks of them and what Saudi thinks of it that's irrelevant मगर जो चीज़ें बाहर आ रही हैं like the president of Yemen saying that you know you can bomb my country but I'll claim it as my bomb. You know, those kind of things need to come out. The public needs to know what the hell is going on in this world, and that I think all of us are victims. Even considering the Americans, because they don't know jack.
ये अमेरिकन मीडिया भी अच्छा
American
खासा
public, yeah.
अमेरिकन मीडिया काफ़ी पीछे बढ़ गया इसके
हाँ.
WikiLeaks के एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज
political pressure.
ही वाज political but प्लस माइंड यू एक बड़ी यू वुड सी गुड चेंज a few months back कोई जर्नलिस्ट था जिसने लिखा कि पाकिस्तान मीडिया इज क्वाइट लिबरल बिकॉज इट डज नॉट टो द गवर्नमेंट लाइन एज कम्पेयर टू अमेरिकन मीडिया is quite restricted because it does report but at the same time जो गवर्नमेंट कहती है उसको फॉलो करता है अभी भी देखें
Pakistan media भी काफी restricted. They cannot just say a report on everything.
वेल देख क्या है हमारे कामरान खान हर चट्टा पट्टा खोल कर बैठे हैं
हाँ ये
अच्छा मगर ये देखो ये हमारे मीडिया का मसला ये है कि वो जब रिपोर्ट करता है तो ये रिपोर्ट्स राइट देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इट डजंट डू दैट्स वेयर द क्राइम लाइज है ना जो जैसे सपोज एक फ्यूडल लॉ ने एक्सप्लॉइटेशन की
जैसे फ्लड रिलीफ अब ओवर हो गया.
ओवर हो गई
उसका
तो
उसको
और ये
ऐसा लगता है
मैं
कि
बहुत सारे
spotlight
जैसे
दिया
रेप इश्यूज
हाँ.
एंड दीज इश्यूज दे डोंट रिपोर्ट बिकॉज ऑफ पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर एंड जब रिपोर्ट नहीं करते वो छुप जाता है ये नहीं है दे नॉट डूइंग गलत बयान है तो वो रिपोर्ट नहीं करते तो हाईलाइट नहीं होता
So I guess every place needs something like WikiLeaks.
इट शुड ट्रांसपेरेंसी फ्रीडम ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट जो पाकिस्तान में इतनी इन्फोर्स नहीं हुई इंडिया में है इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम नॉट सेइंग विकीलीक्स और पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट बट पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट हमारे एक्सेस में आ जाएंगे तो हमारी बहुत काम होगा
तो लोगों को पता चल जाएगा असली में हो क्या रहा है ये सारी जो ड्रामेबाजी होती रहती है टीवी पे.
ट्रांसपेरेंसी इट्स
हाँ.
ऑल अबाउट ट्रांसपेरेंसी आप कोई चीज़ करने जाए तो बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट
अच्छा we headed to Noralia today.
Yeah.
That's high up in the mountains over here. I don't know how high the mountains are, but it's up in the mountains, a little colder than this place.
I think we'll do podcast from there.
We do podcasts from there also, and you know, we got a few videos to show you around this place and the guest house we're staying in and all that. So this is me, Faisal Kapadia and Nawab Alvi, signing off on a gorgeous beach somewhere in
Mahewala beach.
Sri Lanka.
And mind you, ये resort ऐसा है, it's a hut, cottage hut. We've been loaned for.
Loaned kindly by Mr. Irfan Hussain.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
very gracious of
and
him.
courtesy of the off-road club, तो हमारे जो group बना हुआ है, वो सब they all pitched in and said why not just use this 5 or 6 days together. The off-road Pakistan, here to you.